what if I told you that your catalog cost could be cut by over 70% without sacrificing any quality? Not by magic, but by shifting how we think about content production. And from manual processes, we move into AI automation. So this is a short overview on how the process changed. So let's get real. So from every product we want to publish, model shot, copywriting, tags, we often spend like over 100 euros for professional shooting and for creating these content with agencies, copywriting, translation, and often you do like manual tagging, categorization inside the company. But with AI, you can change completely the process. So let's have a look at it. So from still life pictures, you can see on the left, you can start using AI to create on-model shot with a technique of virtual try-on evolution, which now can be used also to produce professional pictures for e-commerce or for your fashion catalog. Then what you do is to use AI to watch pictures of the clothes, of the garments, and to actually describe them with the vision features. And so you can create a copy and a description of the product like you actually want. And from the same process, you can use to create tags. So we move the cost from over 100 euros per SKU, so per product, to under 50, where you can have really huge savings on copy, translations. You can barely have any cost after you move into AI for this, and you drop really a lot also the part. So the process changed a lot. It's not just about cutting costs. You're also unlocking strategic value because AI can enrich the content while you're describing the product, while you use tags for attributes, to improve filters, to improve for CRM, for example. You can start building a personalization experience, and in general, you can improve and quicken your growth. There is a lot of efficiencies also because you can use the same assets across e-commerce, showroom, virtual showroom, B2B, sales tools, and different stuff. So these are the breakdown of the cost, and some of these are really impressive. Now I get different question on this, and some other managers and leaders ask me about quality, and honestly now the quality is getting really on a level where you cannot really recognize if it's made with AI. You have to pay attention to the quality assurance process, like in any case you have to, because you can still have hallucinations. You can have AI to change some parts of the clothes. And so it's a good, it's a best practice to use AI for quality assurance on the AI work, also to have a final human supervision. Another question is if you do lose some kind of creative control over the process. Well, the answer is actually no, because you can really configure and personalize every action from AI agents, how you want to act. For aesthetics, you can personalize the stylistic of writing, copy. So in all the different areas, you can really get AI to do exactly what you were actually doing, but maybe you can do it better. And well, are we firing the old content team is another question. No, actually no. The nice things about introducing AI processes is that you can use your team to save a lot of time on repetitive tasks and operation, and so they can focus on more tactical and strategic stuff. So in general, when you don't have like hundreds of people in your content marketing and CRM teams, which is just for the big enterprises, you don't have to fire your people. You can leverage AI to enhance their current processes and use them better. So if you have serious catalog costs, you might really consider to look into this deep dive in my school community, or maybe you just want to move faster and smarter in general, get into AI automation for leaders and managers. You should check out this deep dive. You can find a deep dive on AI Catalogue and AI shooting. So let's go build something better together, and leave a comment below if you want to get invited for free into the school community. If you're a student, you always get for free lifetime, And yeah, see you in the next one.